I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. WhatsApp updated, an approved autosender installed, and permission toggles enabled. Open the Sender app now and grant accessibility plus notification access so it can read incoming alerts and send messages. Import or select your contact list. Use a CSV or saved group for speed. Once done, set the default messaging channel to WhatsApp inside the app and test with one contact so you know messages will route correctly before automating larger batches. Now you configure the message logic. Draft templates that include variables such as name and appointment time so personalization is automatic. Define triggers, choose scheduled sends, incoming SMS replies, or manual batch starts, and set rate limits to avoid blocks. Map CSV columns to template variables carefully, then preview a few generated messages to verify formatting and line breaks. Make sure delays between sends are realistic to mimic human timing and reduce the risk of account restrictions. Execute a controlled test batch first. Send to 5-10 recipients and watch delivery statuses in both the Sender app and WhatsApp. If messages fail, pause the run and check common issues: accessibility and notification permissions, background battery optimization, or blocked numbers. Adjust send rate or template formatting and rerun the test. If problems persist, review app logs and confirm WhatsApp account limits. Make sure too many rapid sends aren't triggering temporary blocks before scaling to full deployment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.